Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can fix please select a path outside of OneDrive. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on my desktop on my computer, and the first thing that you need to do guys is open the file explorer. If you don't find it right here, just go to the start menu and then go ahead and type File Explorer. And then once you find it, go ahead and click on Open. And then once you do that, right here, you're going to be here in this window. And then basically, guys, once you're here in the left, you're going to find all of the sections. Here, you're going to find the Home section, Gallery, and under it, you're going to find the OneDrive section. Go to the OneDrive section and then right click on it. And then right here, you're going to find all of these sections. Here, you're going to find the option to copy it, expand it, open it in a new tab, and so on. And then here in the bottom, you're going to find OneDrive. Click on OneDrive, and then right here, you're going to find these three options: View Online, Settings, and lastly, Folder Color. Right now, go ahead and click on View Online, and then this will take you to this page right here in the web. So once you're here, as you can see guys in the left, you're going to find all of these sections. Right here, you're going to find the Home section, My Files, Photos, Shared, and lastly, the Recycle bin. So basically guys, right now, go to your files, and then right here, as you can see guys, you're going to find all of your files and folders uploaded to OneDrive. And then you can download any file or folder. So just go ahead and select the file or the folder you want to download, then hit download, and then it will be downloaded on your computer. You're going to find it here in your downloads. So basically, guys, to not have the error, please select a path outside of OneDrive. Just make sure not to move the folder in the OneDrive folder. Move it to anywhere else but this folder. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.